how to create a Smule account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. So the first step is you need to download Smule application on your device. You can easily find the app on your Google Play Store. So install it on your device and open up the app. Soon after opening, you need to select your preferred language over here. After that, you have to go for OK. And here you'll be able to see the various options for logging in. You can log in with your Facebook, Google, email. You can also log in with your phone number. Here I'm continuing with Google. If you are continuing with Google, then you need to choose an account with which you want to create your Smule account. After that, you'll be opened up to this section over here. In the text box, you need to enter your username appropriate for you. You can also upload your profile picture and you can go for next. You can select up to 4 genders or you can also go for skip. And after a few seconds of loading, your Smule account will be created. So by following this simple step, you can create Smule account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.